Hello and welcome back to the Math Mindset. Today we'll be solving problem 7 from the 1998 AIME exam. Let n be the number of ordered quadruples x1, x2, x3, x4 of positive odd integers that satisfy that the sum of any one of these quadruples equals 98. And you have to find n over 100. So basically the problem is telling us that out of all of the n quadruples, the sum of the four numbers in those quadruples, namely x1, x2, x3, and x4, they all have to sum to 98. So that is our first key piece of information. Now the problem also tells us that those integers are odd. So we know that x1 is equal to 2 times an odd number, say y1, plus 1. x2 is equal to 2 times another odd number, y2, plus 1. x3 is equal to 2 times another odd number, say y3, plus 1. And that, in the same way, x4 is equal to 2 times another odd number, y4, plus 1. So we can write this first condition over here as 2 times y1 plus 1 plus 2 times y2 plus 1 plus 2 times y3 plus 1 plus 2 times y4 plus 1. All of this equals 98. Right. So we can take out the ones, right? We can subtract 4 from both sides. So subtract 4. When we end up with 2 times y1 plus 2 times y2 plus 2 times y3 plus 2 times y4 is equal to 94. Now divide both sides of the equation by 2, since both sides share a common factor of 2. And we get that the odd numbers, that 2 times all of the y terms, so y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4, that's equal to 47. Now we created a new problem out of the original. So this is our new problem we have to solve. So we have to find, right? Now we have to find the number of ordered triples y1, y2, y3, and y4 such that y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 is equal. So that's a new problem. And we can just use the stars and bars formula to find out the answer to this problem. So using the stars and bars formula, we'd have 47, which is our sum, plus 4, which is our number of terms, minus 1. Choose the number of terms minus 1. So this is equal to 50, choose 3. And that's equal to 50 factorial over 3 factorial, 47 factorial. That's equal to 48 times 49 times 50 over 6, which is 3 factorial. So divide this, you get 8, right? So this whole thing becomes 50 times 8 times 49, which is 400 times 49, and that's equal to 19,600. And this is equal to our n. But remember, we want n over 100. So n over 100 is 19,600 divided by 100, which is equal to 196. And that is our final answer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, go watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe.